everybody, welcome and welcome back again to my amazing space on the internet. It's your girl Cynthia, and guys, I'm back again with another reaction video. But first things first, if this is your very first time on my channel, you're highly welcome. In this channel, guys, I make reactions to music and all this good stuff. Yes, guys, I'm a music lover and I love to explore music that I haven't heard before. So yes, also, if this sounds like something you're really interested in, do not forget to give this video a like. And also, if you are not subscribed, consider subscribing. And do not forget to click the bell just beside the subscribe button, so anytime I upload a video like this one, you'll definitely be the first to know, okay? Alright guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be listening to Lynyrd, Skynyrd. I think I've gotten this. This is my second time listening to them, so I should be able to pronounce their name. I'm going to be listening to a song they sang before. I've done a reaction about that song before, but this time I'm going to be listening to the live version of this song, and I am super excited to see how everything went. This one came in highly suggested. So yes, beautiful people, in today's video I'm gonna be listening to Lynyrd Skynyrd. They're gonna be singing Free Bird in Oakland Coliseum Stadium. Okay, this was in the 70s, so let's see how it looked like back in the days. Okay, all right, beautiful people, without further ado, let us jump right into this reaction video. They're sure excited. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of people. Guys, some people are having the time of their lives.
If I leave here tomorrow.
Ooh, I remember this part of the song. Guys, this is a different experience.
Would you still remember me?
Wow.
I must be traveling on now.
Oh my goodness, like seeing them sing.
'Cause there's too many places I've got to see. But if I stay with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now. I swear I am.
Okay. Guys,
Play it pretty for Oakland.
oh my goodness. Oh, this is more of ladies, for sure. Guys, my cheekbones are hurting from smiling. Ooh.
Play power up here now.
This gets to your soul.
Been a sweet life, oh yeah, yeah. Though this feeling I can't change, but please don't take this so badly, 'cause the Lord knows I'm to blame.
Wow.
If I stay with you now, well, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird. How about you? And a bird will never change.
Guys, there's so much excitement amongst the crowd. Wow. You know what? It looks like they kept on waiting for this part. Because so much excitement. Well, me personally, I always look forward to the other half of the song. save my thoughts for the end of the video. Wow. Wow. Okay. Oh, these two are just loving up here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
One of the great ones, Lynyrd Skynyrd. Let's hear it for them.
Oh my goodness. I can totally imagine.
Man, that band's so good, you'd think they were from San Francisco, would you?
Oh my goodness, guys. Like, I just experienced Lynyrd Skynyrd. Like, you know, I feel like if you want to listen to Lynyrd Skynyrd, you know, maybe you can check the audio version. But if you want to experience Lynyrd Skynyrd, then watch their live performance. Because who would have thought that, you know, this is how they would perform this song? When I listened to the audio version, I did not envision it to be this way during the live. It was like, okay, it's, you know, like a normal audio version song, but looking at them now performing this song in the midst of this amazing crowd, oh my goodness, like, I just experienced them, and it's a really good experience. It's a really lovely experience. I wasn't expecting it to turn out this way. I loved how the crowd kept cheering on for them, and the last half of the song was where the fun lied. Like, you could see people really, really, you know, excited. People were even loving up during that part. It was really amazing. It felt like I was there. Oh my goodness, guys. Let me know what you think about this song in the comment section, okay? And yes, beautiful people, I have come to the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it like I did. If you did, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and while you're at it, make sure you click the bell just beside the subscribe button, so anytime I upload a video like this one, you'll definitely be the first to know, okay? Alright guys, with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!